Got the tire on. Now I gotta set the bead. Get this sucker on here. A little bit of lube. Yeah, some lube in there. Lube the other side. Lube the other side. Look at that gap, man. That's not gonna work. Lube it up. Air. Oh, let's air it up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, try this trick. Nope. Nope. Crap. I got an idea. That ain't working. I know what the problem is. I'm wearing the wrong hat. That's better. This'll work. Still not working. I got it. I'm wearing the wrong hat again. Honda, no. KTM, no. This is a Suzuki rim. I need a Suzuki hat. Yeah. I got my 25th anniversary Suzuki hat. That's got to do it. Nope. Hammer. Well, that's not working. What do I do? Crap. I got an idea. Lighter fluid. Yeah. No, not strong enough. Card cleaner. That ought to get her. Nah, I need something more powerful. Oh, gasoline. That'll get her on there. Yeah. Probably better do this outside. Now, you don't want to use these methods unless it's an absolute last resort. Gasoline? Absolutely not. Card cleaner, ether? Maybe. I don't know. Lighter fluid? Much safer, but do this safely. I'm not going to use these methods. I'm going to show you the way I use to seat a difficult bead on a tire. Now this tire here, you can see, you can't, I could put my whole hand in there, so that's not going to seat. But we'll get there, show you how. Oh, tired. So what I'm going to use the strap method. Show you how this is done. So I got about 1.5 inch strap, fairly heavy. You need something with a good handle on this because you're going to have to really torque her down pretty good. So let's get to it. See if this works. Oopsie. Oh, pick your tire up. Get that sucker out of the way. Look at that gap in there, man. Huge. Put your strap around, right around the center. Use a little more slack. Hook it in. A little more slack. Get it right around the center of the tire. Make sure your strap's nice and straight. Right around the center. She's all twisted up. Guess that don't matter too much. Okay. Got my strap on. Start cranking her down. This is real time, folks. You really want to crank down pretty hard on this. Let's lube it up a little first before we get too far. This is just Windex. It's good to have something alcohol based so it will evaporate. Don't be stingy. Lube her up good. Get her down in there. And then the other side. Hopefully, somewhere in my Suzuki hat, this will do the trick for me. Just really crank her down. When you get a flat spot like that, let's see if she goes. The important thing here is, if this does go, don't just fill her up right away. Let her go in slowly. Where's my valve stem? There's my valve stem. Let's put it right there. You'll know pretty quick. Nope, not tight enough. Give her another crank. It's bubbling, so it's trying to hold air. I don't think I have it tight enough yet. Another crank. Blowing bubbles, it might go. Yep. Just trying. Let my compressor fill up. Oh, there it goes. That bead pop, that bead pop. Let my compressor. I got a little, like 2-gallon compressor, so let that fill up quick. There she goes. There it goes. See that? It's important here you don't go too far. You'll hear the strap kind of stretching a little bit. Just let a little pressure off of it. Put some more air in it. You'll feel it stretching. You'll hear it. Release. That's like super tight on there. Come on, baby. Release for me. there she goes. That wasn't supposed to happen, but okay, that's seated. She's still popping. Let her pop. Get some tire pressure. Let's check this tire pressure. I want to shooting for like 42 pounds or so. I'm at 30. More. Okay, went right at 40. So I'm going to let that sit overnight and make sure it seats. Just a little note, I did do this prior to this video. Made sure everything worked and everything, just to make sure that it would go smoothly without a hitch, but there's always a hitch. One thing that's important, if you have a tire like this particular tire is not designed for my Suzuki Bandit 1250. I'm doing this because I have a lot of gravel roads in my area and I want something more dirt oriented for my Bandit. I do have a TW200 and I do have a KTM 690, so I'm fully equipped to run any dirt around here that I want. But I've got an extra set of wheels and I wanted to make my Bandit more dirt worthy. That being said, like I said, this tire is not designed for a street bike, a 100 horsepower street bike, but I wanted to give it a shot. So with that, again, with that said, with that in mind, if you're going to do something like this, if you have a difficult tire with this kind of application, even though it's the exact same size as the stock tire on my Bandit, it's still difficult to seat. You're going to want to, just in case you get a flat, if you get a flat with this thing and that comes off the bead, you are not getting it back on unless you have a strap and a compressor. So keep that in mind if you're going to do, if you're going to be silly like me, you're going to have to take extra precautions. So hope that was helpful. I hope you learned something. Maybe that, guys like me are a little bit nuts doing this kind of thing, but it's all fun and games in the end, and just want to try something different, see if it works, see how well it works. Hopefully I won't die, but as you can see, whether it's a tire with putting a tire on a bike, whether it's putting a tire on a bike that doesn't belong on that bike, or a tire that belongs on that bike and you're having difficult time seating the bead, this is the first method you should choose. Obviously way before you try any kind of propellant like lighter fluid or ether. Gasoline is absolute no. That was just a joke, so don't take that seriously. Don't even go there. There is another tool that's called like an air bomb, I believe. But if you have this kind of issue on the side of the road, this is all you need, and a compressor. So again, I hope that was helpful. Hope you learned something about how to seat a difficult tire. This is a good method. You saw it worked in real time. So thanks so much. It's got to be the Suzuki hat that did it. KTM and Honda. You ain't gonna get this tire on. Adios.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus go round and round. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah.